So rotational symmetry is basically the turning of rotation is called the angle of rotation, right? How many times, like for example, if this is rotating, right, from here to here, then here like this. So how many times it you can rotate it, right? The rotation turns an object about a fixed point. This fixed point is the center of the rotation. What is the center of the rotation? The angle of turning rotation is called angle of rotation, right? If you are turning fully, if let's just say you are from here, you came to here. So it is 360. Let's just say from here to here you came 90. From here to here you came 180. Clear? Got it? Any doubt in this?
No,
Got it?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll just tell you how you perform the quarter one.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this one. Okay, you can read it. Yes, you can see this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So over here, what do we observe from here is, we observe that the center of rotation is the center of the square, right?
Yes,
Sorry.
ma'am.
Yes. These things we
Again, sir, with
noticed.
the
So
partial
first,
question.
yes, the center of rotation is this. The angle of rotation is 90, 90, 90, 90. The direction of the rotation is clockwise. So if you are moving like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is clockwise. If you are moving it like this, 1, 2,
Anti-clockwise.
yes.
Clockwise just means in the direction of the hands of the clock.
Okay. So we'll quickly draw this, or you can just simply write it down. And the order of rotational symmetry is 4. How many you can do? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Clear? Got it? Only 4 is possible, right?
Oh, so we check it with 90 degrees, right?
Yes.
Or if possible, we can make it less than 90
Hmm.
degrees.
As well. But that's not a rotation, right? Entire rotation, it's like minimum of 90.
Oh, okay, I understand. If we want to check the rotational symmetry, we have to always use 90 degrees. Ma'am, but other objects can have a less amount, less rotational symmetry number. For example, 35 degrees, right?
Correct.
For example, if we have an octagon, it could have 35 degrees, and even less than that probably.
Hmm.
So it works in that way. It's the amount of the how slightly you move it. You have to move it at the minimum till it reaches its other line of symmetry. And the
So,
amount of line, so it's almost the amount of lines of symmetry, but not completely.
yes. But entirely you have to behave it like this in the rotation.
Good evening, mom. I came late, so can you please tell me what we are doing?
Yes. So over here, rotational symmetry of order 4. Okay.
Okay.
So that means you have to find the rotational symmetry. How many times you can rotate it and form the symmetry, right?
Hmm.
So over here you can do it 90. Then again, like let's just say if this is a box, then you're shifting it, then shifting here, shifting here, shifting here, like okay.
Okay.
Done. No issues. Okay, done. Okay. Try these questions now.
Ma'am, finished.
Done? Others? Everybody has finished?
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
H
the
word
last
for
one, just
question
1
two
second.
looks so funny, ma'am. Ma'am, the H word for question 2 looks so funny. Oh, why is it 3 legs, ma'am?
Something very unique. Aliens.
I'm finished.
Okay, I'll just wait for 1 more minute, then we'll discuss the answers. Okay, I think most of the people have done. We can discuss the answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who's still doing? Okay, first one.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I
ma'am.
say?
Yes.
Ma'am, for the first one,
Hmm.
A, B, E are the ones that have a symmetry order more than one.
Okay. A,
I
B,
think
and
there's more. I think there's more, but I don't
Ma'am,
understand the
F,
concept.
ma'am,
F,
F
and
and
also
D.
D.
yes, correct.
Oh yeah, one and
Only C
two.
is not
Only
possible,
C.
Okay.
right? Because
Ma'am,
again,
only
see, you
C,
can
right?
How
yes.
about D? D, I'm getting a little confused with.
D, of course, you can rotate it like this, no? This you will rotate, it will become like this, right? Then you will
Okay,
again
and
rotate it like this, the two rotations. But over here, this one would remain same only, right?
okay, so it has two orders
Hmm.
for the D one. For the F1, it
Okay.
has four.
Yes. 90, 90.
I
I
understand how
also
now.
got the same answer for the
This
first
one you
one.
will draw one side, then two sides, then three side, and four side, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And here also one, two, and three. Here only you
Yeah.
can remove it like two times, right? One like this and other like you'll again remove it like this, right? Move
Yes,
it.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, give the order of rotation for each. Hmm. So how many
Uh,
order of rotation is like? Here you can rotate it two times, right? One,
yeah,
two.
yeah.
And the
The second
second
one
one
also
again two.
three times, I
No,
guess.
no, no, two times. It's 80, na?
Two
Oh yeah,
times.
So
yeah,
one
yeah.
time you will remove it like this and the other time this, right? In
Two
case they
times.
would have not written here 80, then yeah, four times, but again two times.
Yeah.
Now the it's one, it's three times.
Uh,
One,
yeah.
two,
Yeah,
and three. Now this one
four
again four
times.
times.
Four
Yes.
times.
And now E1 again four times.
Four times.
4 times, yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
This one
five times.
Five times.
here.
5 times,
Five
yes,
times.
ma'am.
Five
Ah,
times.
six, six.
So 6
One,
times.
two,
Oh yeah,
three,
six.
3,
four,
4,
five, six.
G6,
One,
ma'am.
two, three, four, five, six. Yes, ma'am. We
Three.
just count the points. We just count the points.
One,
Three
2,
times.
3.
correct?
Ma'am, the
Yes,
alien can
ma'am.
rotate three times, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, but how are those
Alien
legs?
is
Yes,
not
ma'am. It
something
looks
very
weird.
unique. Okay, now the last, I mean, not this last question, but yeah, again, something which I want you to fill it, then I'll tell you how to fill this. I just want you to try it once. I'll explain this, but yeah, I just want you to try. Shape is given, center of rotation, then order of rotation, and then angle of rotation.
So square we use 90 degrees because that's its minimum
Hmm.
angle of rotation. For a rectangle, it's going to be 180, right?
I don't know.
I'm just telling is it 180? Because the only way it can be symmetrical is in a 180 one, just like the D question. So it's going to be 180, right?
Yep.
Okay. I understand now. Like it is according to how much it has to move so that it can stay symmetrical.
Sorry.
It's like how much it should move, it should rotate to stay symmetrical. For example, like the square, it only has to move 90 degrees and it's able to stay symmetrical on its on diagonally, so that's why.
Science. Whatever we have learned till now, you have to apply it.
Mom, I got all the answers. Some might be wrong. Ma'am, can we discuss now?
I'm finished.
Okay. Should we discuss? Everybody has finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who's
Yes,
still
ma'am.
doing? Shreya, Mariam, Wali.
No, ma'am, I finished.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. Square. Okay, first one, Shreya. Square. Center of rotation would be? Hmm? First one. Center of rotation would be? Shreya, you said something. I can't. You are on mute, I guess. I didn't hear any answer, anything. Students, can you hear me? Shreya, you are on mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Others can hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I
Yes,
can
ma'am.
hear you.
Okay, Shreya, you tell me the answer for the first one. You are on mute.
Ma'am, there's probably a problem in unmuting.
Yeah,
You could
because
recommend her to type in the chat
she,
box.
but that would be very long. She is saying something. I can see her, but it's that it shows that her mic is on mute.
Maybe her device
Okay,
cannot.
no, yeah, no issue, Shreya. I'll just tell me, just knob your head in case it's same. Intersecting point of diagonals are the center of rotation, right? For this one, okay, because again, in this we have diagonals, so where they will interact, that would the center, right? And then order of rotation, how many times you can rotate? 4 times, right? And then the angle of rotation is 90 degree only, right? Got it? And rectangle again, same interaction.
Ma'am, can I
Points.
tell?
Yes,
Ma'am, can I tell?
yes,
Ma'am, the
yes.
center of rotation is obviously going to be the where the lines meet. The
Hmm.
order of rotation is going to be only 2,
Hmm.
and the angle of rotation is going to be 180 degrees.
Correct. Basin, next one.
Ma'am, for rhombus, the order of rotation is going to be 2 and the angle of rotation is going to be 180.
Hmm. Correct. Next, equilateral triangle.
Ma'am, can I do again?
Yes.
Ma'am, the order of rotation is going to be 3, and
Hmm.
the angle of rotation is going to be, I don't remember what's it called. I think it's going to be about
120.
180. Okay, 120.
Hmm.
Oh
Regular
yeah,
hexagon.
120 plus 360. 120 plus
Hmm.
120 plus 120. So we have to divide it accordingly.
Next,
Oh,
equilibrium.
so the angle of rotation is the like 360 divided by the order of rotations.
Hexagon is 6 and what would be the answer? 60, 60, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then circle,
Infinite order of rotation.
infinite. Yes. And
And angle
at
of rotation,
every point you can.
yeah,
Like let's just say, yes, any point you can use.
even at very low decimal points, it'll
This
still
would
be
be
like
midpoint of diameter. Similarly here. And here 1 and here 360, right?
semicircle is 2 only.
1.
But we can turn it and it'll be half, right? Half of a semicircle is quarter, and the quarter is identical to the other quarter, right? Oh, from that angle. Okay, I understand. Mama, is there any more to it, or we completed symmetry?
Everybody, you can write it down. I'm just waiting for 1 minute. Those who did it wrong, some of the question. Then I'll give you, there are few more questions. We will do that.
Ma'am, it makes it's so easy, and it also has a really easy formula to find the angle of rotation. Just divide 360 by the order of rotations. Very simple. Ma'am, quadrilaterals in the sense 4 sides, right? Ma'am, can you scroll up a little? I wanted to see something. Ma'am, you can zoom out. Ma'am, by the way, I have a question for the fifth question. Like, when, in the sense, what does mean line symmetry?
Sorry?
Line symmetry is that one which is like, uh, it's like diagonal and which we did yesterday, right? Or is it different?
Yeah, same.
Oh, okay. Ma'am, but it's not possible that the line and rotational symmetry are unequal to each other, right? They both will be equal itself, right? Ma'am, can we discuss?
Let's just wait for others.
Ma'am, I don't think there's enough time to do comparing quantities if we have more questions than this. Is there more than this?
No. After this, I'll just give you some disclaimer about the comparing quantities.
Okay. Ma'am, I might be absent for the first class and the second class because you might be talking about the other topics, and actually I have exams, so I want to take use of most of the time. That's why. So, ma'am, I'll only someone like inform when is going to be the class for interest and that stuff, ma'am, because those are the only things I have troubles with.
After two classes. So maybe tomorrow or like next two classes, I'll takes the basics and after that interest.
Okay. I guess I'll have to be absent for 2 classes then. I
Okay.
maybe might be able to manage.
Try it. In case you are unable to, just watch the recording in 2x or 1.5x.
Ma'am, can I like after we do these questions, can I go to the washroom?
Sure.
Okay. Ma'am, I think we better discuss.
You can go washroom and come back.
No, ma'am, it takes me a long time. That's why.
Then you have to wait for 2 minutes.
Okay, ma'am, no problem. Ma'am, can we discuss now?
Okay. Everybody has finished? Let's just discuss. Anyone who's still
Yes,
doing and wants me to wait? Anyone? Shreya, Mariam, Wali, Basim, done, right? Okay. Tell me the first one. After rotating, name the quadrilateral which has both line and rotational order. Who will tell me? Tell me.
Ma'am, the first one, the fifth one, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, square, rectangle, and rhombus.
Correct. Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the next one. Hmm? Next one.
Who's gonna answer it? Answer it quickly.
Ibrahim, you tell me.
Ma'am, I want to answer the seventh question.
Answer this one.
Okay, ma'am. Can I answer the seventh question also if possible?
Okay.
Someone gets it wrong. Okay.
Hmm.
After rotating by 60 degrees about a center, we can get 120 degrees, 180 degrees, and then we can also get 240 degrees, and also what's the other one? Yeah, then we can also get 300 degrees as well as 360 degrees.
Okay.
Ma'am, the
Okay.
seventh one is a little out of the box thinking. The
Okay.
seventh one.
Tell me.
Ma'am, should I say?
Hmm.
Ma'am, the rotational symmetry of order more than one whose angle of rotation is 45, because 45 is divisible by 360, and to get a number which perfectly aligns with 360 will make enough turns, and the amount of turns will be
Okay, so 45 degrees is a
6.
factor of
Ma'am,
360,
6,
right?
ma'am.
So over here 8. 45 has 8. And 17 one has?
17 one,
So the
like,
figure is not a factor of 360, right? So whenever these type
yeah,
of
it will not
question
be
come,
possible.
yes, you have to try dividing it with 360. So let's just say 360 divided by 45. So what you got?
6. 6.
6 or 8?
Wait, 8. Yeah, 8.
And here it is not possible to divide 360 with 17, right? So no
Yeah.
rotational
You'd end
symmetry.
up with a decimal. You'd end up with a decimal.
Yes.
And you don't want decimals in such a way. So, ma'am, can I go to the washroom now?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody will read it up, whatever is written. Let me know if any point is not clear.
Mama. Ma'am, I'm done reading. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
Ma'am, you were not able to hear me before?
No, I was unable to hear you before, but I can hear you now. Now, can you, everybody read? Anyone has any doubt?